Large space telescopes, aeroshells, megawatt solar arrays, persistent platforms and habitats. In-space assembly will enable these missions to propel humankind into the cosmos. My name is Jim Nealon, and I'm the project lead for Assemblers. As an autonomous systems researcher and software integration engineer, I am leading a team working to push in-space assembly up the TRL ladder. Autonomous in-space assembly is generally seen as too risky. The technologies needed are not yet practical. Our launch needs have exceeded single vehicle capabilities. Our satellites, space probes, telescopes, and habitat needs have grown beyond our launch mass and cost limitations. However, the Assemblers project will address these shortcomings and build from Langley's previous efforts in space and planetary assembly with advanced autonomous error handling capabilities. Addressing overall accuracy concerns, Assemblers will demonstrate a multi-agent assembly of a lunar habitat system. Forward-looking to Mars human exploration, these assembly agents are reconfigurable structures with swappable end effectors. They can operate both in micro and nominal gravity environments. The biggest challenge in autonomous assembly is reacting to failures in making repairs without human intervention. Assemblers will utilize the state-of-the-art in motion planning, failure detection, classification, and decision-making. And our demonstrations will validate these algorithms over various failure modes. We will be employing Agile project management with a Scrum variant, utilizing bi-weekly sprints leading to checkpoint demonstrations. The core team will work in close contact with our partners and one another to achieve each sprint's goals. This will enable flexibility, issue remediation, and enable the team to deliver on its mission commitments.
My name is Evan Dill, and I will be serving as the Sensing and Assurance Lead for Assemblers. My work for this effort will be focused on sensing, state estimation, and assurance considerations for the implemented autonomy.
My name is John Cooper, and I'll be serving as the Lead Dynamics and Control Engineer for Assemblers. I'll be focusing on dynamic modeling and control algorithm development.
I'm Matt Malin, and I'm the Mechanical Systems Lead. I'll contribute my experience in mechanism design and prototype development.
My name is Yogo Wong. I'm the Advanced in Space Assembly Research Lead on Assemblers. My work will be focused on the overall construction architectures for various planetary surfaces.
Autonomous in-space assembly is thought to be many years away, but with Assemblers, we feel we can enable it within the next decade.